birthday. Ang wish ko, sana magpatupad lahat ng wish mo. And then sana lagi kang i-guide ni Lord and tulungan ka niya sa lahat ng mga undertakings mo. So, yun lang, and happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday. Stay pretty, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Honey. Stay beautiful.
Honey, happy 18th birthday. Alam mo naman, since grade 1, kilala na talaga kita. Pero sana huwag kang magbago. At saka, ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga dreams mo. Stay pretty and cool. Dito lang kami as friends mo.
Happy birthday, honey! Hindi ko lang sasabihin ko eh. Basta mag-ingat ka palagi. Tapos sana makamit mo lahat ng pangarap mo, lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral mo. Tapos sana maging happy ka. 18 ka na ba? 18 na ba? Baging pagkain na. 18 ka na. Pwede ka nang makulong. Pwede ka nang ipapulis. Kaya mag-dream ka na. Huwag na masyadong wild. Diba? Tayo lang dapat wild. Tapos kapag 18 ka na, alam mo na pwede ka nang magpaano. Mag-bar. Pwede ka nang mag-bar. Hintayin mo kami mag-18 para happy-happy tayo. Tapos sana, mahalin mo na yung ulam mo. Nandiyan lang yan sa tabi-tabi. Malay mo yung kumukuha sa akin ngayon, yun. Oh, sige. Ingat! Happy birthday!
Hi, honey. Wishing you a happy 18th birthday and many more to come. I hope all your birthday wish and dreams come true. Sana mas maging close pa tayo. Tsaka good luck sa pag-aaral. Yun nga, sana matupad mo lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. Tsaka sana magka-boyfriend ka na, yung totoo. Nandiyan lang siya sa tabi-tabi. Alam mo na siguro kasi hindi natukoy ko. Okay na. Follow your dreams. Yun nga. Happy 18th birthday. Okay. Hi, honey. Okay na? Happy birthday. Speechless ako. Kaya, text na lang kita. Yun lang. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, honey. Naalala ko lang. Ikaw nga pala yung unang naging seatmate sa website nila. Ilang taon na rin, nakakatawa lang isipin. Ang daming nangyari. Almost 10 years na yan na tayo magkakilala. Tapos, nakakatawa kasi sa tagal ng panahon na nagkakilala tayo, daming nangyari, daming pinagsamahan, daming nakakatawa. 18 na, nagsisitanda na tayo, yung totoo nun. Pero sana kahit na makagraduate lahat, maging professional, tapos may sumigat man, isa kasakali, walang makakaliwat, nakakatawa. Kasi na-excite lang ako kasi alam ko darating ang araw na tayo, professionals na. Sana nga walang makakasali pa tayo. Nakakatawa kasi, konting effort ko na, ikot na kaya na makakatawa sila. Sana, yun, kahit ano nangyari, paulit-ulit na ako, pero yun talaga. Kasi, naging part ng isa't isa ng buhay. Na hanggang ngayon, eto tayo, sa loob ng maraming impact. Kahit na hindi may oras kung nagkakaroon ng halo tayo. Pag dumating pa rin yung time na nagkita ko, parang pala rin naman kasi andun pa rin yung excitement. Kaya, sana, alam ko sa future, si Ivan na yun. Sobrang effort ni Ivan, pinuntahan niya ako dito sa bahay para sa'yo. Tapos, ayun, sorry, hindi rin ako makakamunta sa birthday mo. Pero hindi ko makakalimutan yung birthday mo talaga. Happy 18th birthday and God bless and good luck sa future nating lahat.
You're a hopeless romantic, it's what they say. Falling in and out of love just like a play. Memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say. What to say. Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time. I don't love you and I always will. Call it crazy, but I know someday you'll feel this feeling I have for you inside. Hopeless romantic, I know I am. Memorizing the lines, and here I am. Struggling for words, I still don't know what to say. What to say. Don't know what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time. All the time, all the time, all the time.
Hello, honey. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Honey Grace. Sana lumaki ka na, tsaka sana maging kayo na ni Ivan. Yun na. Tsaka yung Elitax ko, yung birthday ko pa yun, wala pa. Yun lang ulit, happy birthday.
Hi, honey! Happy 18th birthday! Ayan na, legal age ka na. Pwede na mag-party-party. Tapos pwede mo nang sagutin si dakilang Navy G. Oo nga pala. Ay, yung regalo namin. Ayan na ya, si Ivan. Yan na regalo namin sa'yo. Sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi girl, happy 18th birthday. I'm sorry wala ako dyan para ma-celebrate natin yung birthday mo. Bawi lang ako pag nakauwi ako. Wish you to have a great day. Kahit na saglit pa lang tayo magkakilala and nagkakasama, alam ko, totoo ka. So ayun girl, bye-bye. I love you, stay the same. Mwah, bye-bye. Happy 18th birthday, Ate Honey. Sana maging happy ka ngayong birthday mo and sana matupad mo na lahat ng wishes mo. Yung nangyari sa atin dati, sana kalimutan na lang natin. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. God bless. Hi, honey. Happy birthday. Wish pa sana mas lalo tayo maging close. And I hope you have a fun and memorable birthday. And please continue being a nice person. Wish you all the best in life and again, happy birthday. Hi, honey. Happy 18th birthday. A wonderful life is waiting for you. A life full of happiness, success, and potential. You truly deserve the best. This is Ivan's friend, named Ashley. Again, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day.
Life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated. Happy 18th birthday. May all your wishes do come true.
Honey, happy birthday. It's your 9th birthday. For the past 10 years we've been friends, I sing about you. I love you. When we were elementary, you know that. And until now, I will be your friend. Tomorrow and forever. Tayo lang yung magkakabata. Elementary pa lang, magkakasama na. Umalis na kami ng school, bumalik kami kasi inayaw niyo kami. Totoo lang, bumalik ako ng west side. Inaway ko yung pamilya ko kasi sabi nila gusto nila sa high school ako mag-aral. Pero bumalik ako doon kasi sabi kasi kayo lang yung nakilala ko na tropa sa akin. Kahit na nagka-away-away tayo ng 4th year, nagsan natin yun. Pero sa mga araw na yun, na-realize ko na wala akong ibang kaibigan na malapit sa akin, kundi kayo lang. Hindi lang ikaw ng todo, silang lahat, sila tropa natin. Minsan wala ako dito kasi nasa Manila na ako. Pero sana naman next time makalipat ako ng 10 years na para lalo kayong makasama. Konti na lang tayo sa batch natin, pero strong tayo. Di tayo katulad na iba na nagkakalimutan. Strong tayo, di ba? Kahit na minsan di nakikita-kita, pero strong tayo. Na lang. God bless, good luck sa lahat. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng pangarap mo, lahat ng goals mo. Sana balang araw, tayo pa rin. Sana balang araw, walang magkasiraan, walang magkasakitan. Kahit na, kahit na nagkakasakitan tayo minsan, okay lang naman. Kasi, we know our limitations. Yun na lang. God bless, good luck. 18 ka na. Sana naman you can decide by your own. Sana naman magawa mo na yung mga gusto mo na hindi mo magawa dati. 18 ka na. God give you more responsibility now. Yun na lang. Thank you sa lahat and happy birthday.
Hello ate, happy 18th birthday po. Stay free and mabait. Mag-iingat ka po lagi. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, honey. I wish you all the best. Alam mo yan. And sana maraming birthdays pa ang dumating sa buhay mo. Ayun, malapit na din yung birthday ko. Nakakatawa lang. Ayun, happy birthday ulit. And sana maging saya ka sa new school mo. Ayun, ingat ka palagi. Love you. Mwah.
Lumala mo nga, abutan na.
Need a lot of things I can get by with nothing. All the necessary I always need something, but life is all I want when it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. You're the hope that puts me to the courage again. You're the love that to me when cold is range. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me too far. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh yes I do. Oh I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's gate. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. Oh, yes I do. I need you. Honey Grace! Annyeonghaseyo, Honey Grace! I love you. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Berat. Huwag kang magbabago. Stay pretty, basta stay who you are. Nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo, lalo na si Ivan. Yee! Ingat ka palagi. God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday. Sana ma-appreciate mo yung ginagawa natin lahat ng effort para lang dito sa surprise na to. Alam mo naman na minsan ikaw din nakakaintindi sa akin pag may problema ako sa'yo ko sinasabi at nagpapasalamat ako doon. Sana ngayong birthday mo mag-enjoy ka, lahat ng mga wishes mo matupad, tapos good luck sa bagong pag-aaralan mo. Sana makakamit ka din ng mga bagong friends mo. Pero syempre walang kalimutan. Yun lang. Tayo pa rin yung magkakaibigan, yung magkakatropa. Nandiyan yung tawanan, yung iyakan, yung dramahan, yung chismisan, yung kwentuhan, yung kalibugan. Pero yun, lahat ng mga yun, yung mga magagandang alaala na yun, syempre itatago mo yun. Kahit na pagtanda natin at magkasalubong tayo, syempre magpapansinan pa rin, tapos walang kalimutan. Sana pag nagka-boyfriend ka na, sabihin mo sa akin. Tapos kung siya nga kasi, siya na nga kasi, bakit kasi ganyan ka? Kung ano-ano pa pinagsasabi mo sa akin. Kahit na minsan meron akong hindi nasasabi sa'yo, pero kahit ganon, love na love naman kita kasi nga best friend kita. Honey Grace, sana magtagumpay ka sa mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, magawa mo. Lahat ng pangarap mo, makuha mo. Yun. Yun lang. Sige, Honey Grace. Ingat ka palagi. Love na love ka namin ni Dengue. Happy birthday.
Bakit mo na dapat? Yo.
When I can't help but cry, and I wonder why. when you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love will never end, but if this love belongs to her, I let it go with your goodbye.
This is so sad for me, but Honey Grace,
Sister,
we love you so much.
yeah.
You know?
Happy birthday, honey!
Fuck you,
Miss
sister.
you.
We're doing this because we love you.
Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I'll let it go with you, Lord.
Hi honey, happy birthday. Pasensya na kung wala ako ngayon dyan sa birthday mo, hindi kita mag-greet ng personal. Dito ko na lang ipapaabot yung message ko sa'yo. I'm so happy for you kasi debut mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka dyan. Huwag ka magpapakalasing. Ganun. At ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo. Sana pag uwi ko, magkita-kita tayo. Yun lang. Wish you all the best. Sana mag-enjoy ka. Happy birthday ulit. Bye. By MCDC.
Hi honey, parang kailan lang nung elementary school tayo, naglalaro lang tayo ng Barbie dolls and stuff. Tapos ngayon, 18 years old ka na. Happy birthday! I wish you all the happiness in the world and all the success and all the health and good stuff. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit! Hey honey, happy 18th birthday. Natatandaan mo pa ba ako? By the way, Angel to. So, 18 ka na. Dalaga ka na talaga. Good luck sa'yo. Basta ingat lagi. Alam ko naman good girl ka. So, paano? I have to go. Basta, ingat na lang. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Ingat. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Happy birthday, honey. May sakit kasi ako, kaya pangit ng boses ko. I wish you all the best. God bless. Stay pretty and sexy. Happy birthday ulit.
This song is dedicated for my sister, Honey Grace. Fuck yeah. Cool kid. Play the...
Quality, bro. Grace. Happy birthday. Sana makita ko lang yung prinsipe mo. Malay mo.
Yung nasa mekanong ko.
Malay mo, hindi na.
Hey honey, sana magkanak na kayo ni Ivan. Ayun lang hilig ko sa'yo, sana maka-isang dosay na kayong anak. Hindi, sana payagan mo na yung anak mo magkaanak sila na Ivan para makita mo na ang maganda mo, apo. Ang ganda ni Marian Rivera.
Si Carmela.
Ayun na Katerine, maraming salamat.
Oo nga, mami. Salamat sa pagpapakain mo sa akin lagi.
Kasama kang tumanda.
Okay, Alcasa.
Itong awiting ito ay alay sa'yo. Sintonado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Gusto ko lamang kasama kang tumanda.
Yeah.
Tun 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 tun. Patatawanin kita kapag hindi ka masaya. Bubuhatin kita pag may rayuma ka na. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Bibili ng balot pag mahina ng tuhod. Ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman. Mayigit tumurang di mabilang. Tanong kong araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Magmukha ng luha pagising sa umaga. Pupunasan ko pa ang mula mo sa mata. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Maglalaba pa kita matapos mamalansya. Kahit abot-abutin man ako ng pasma. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman. Mahigit kumulang di mabilang. Tatlong araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Loves na loves ko rin kita kahit bungi-bungi ka na. Para sa akin lugar na pinakamaganda. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. At nangangako sa'yo pag sinagot mo iaalay sa'yo buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang kasama kang tumanda. Mato-fato gentleman.
Open the door.
Open the door.
18 ka na sa April 14. Pwede ka na magpaligaw. Depende sa nanay mo. Kaya lang, huwag kang mag-aasawa ng maaga. Siguraduhin mo, makakatapos ka ng pag-aaral para masuklian mo naman ang hirap ng magulang mo. Masarap ang may inspirasyon. Pero, hintayin mo yung tamang oras at siguraduhin mo makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Sana maging masaya ka sa papasukan mong school ngayong pasukan. At sana ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo na inaasam din ng iyong mga magulang sa'yo. Ang wish ko lang maging mabait ka, masunurin, dahil naanak din kita, kailangan bigyan mo ng satisfaction ang iyong magulang. Kung ano yung inaasahan nila sa'yo, ibigay mo. Siguro may mas tamang edad ka na para isipin mo kung ano yung tama at mali. Isipin
sagutin mo na si Ivan. Joke. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday, honey. Wala akong masasabi. Basta, nami-miss ko na kayo. Yun lang. Huwag ka muna mag-aasawa. Ako muna, ha. Love you, miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, honey. Hi, Beth, honey. Happy 80th birthday. Thank you dahil best friend kita. Thank you rin dahil lagi ka nandyan kapag may problem ako. Alam mo yan, Beth. Huwag kang magbabago. Stay pretty and kind. Yun lang, Beth. Love you.
Ayaw na tumatanda ka na. Siguro na dapat nang may mag-alaga sa'yo. Sana maging kayo na ni Ivan. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, honey. Happy birthday! For sure, di mo naman ako kilala eh. Ako nga pa yung classmate ni Ivan. Yun, happy birthday! Ayan, honey, happy birthday! Ayan, mag-blessings to come. At nakunin mo yung studies mo. At deserving si Badjo, promise. Deserving sa'yo si Badjo. Ikaw na bahala mag-desisyon. Yun, happy birthday lang. Lagi kang maging happy. You know. God bless you. Hi, honey. Happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana matupad mo yung lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral and stay pretty as you are. Good luck sa career. Tsaka, huwag mong kakalimutan mag-thank you kay God sa lahat ng blessings na binibigay niya sa'yo. God bless. Hi, honey. Happy birthday to you. I hope you're doing good in all things. Matagal na din kasi tayo hindi nagkasama since first year high school. I missed you at yung mga taga-Westsiders. I still remember those years that we're laughing and crying together. You've been a sister and a very best friend to me. I hope it won't change. Talaga ka na. Naalala ko dati tayo tatlunig siya yung maliliit. Ngayon ako na lang ang maliit. Who else? I wish you all the very best and may all odds be in favor of you. I know we're very near now to reach our dreams. Just put God in the center of your life and continue your faith in Him. Stay sweet as honey. God bless you. Hello, honey. Nakalook alike ni Megan niya. I know na hindi naman tayo ganun close kasi diba 1 year lang din tayo naging mag-classmates. So, ayun nga. I may not be one of your favorite friends, pero I assure you na whenever you need me, don't think twice na text ako kasi I'm more than willing to help you. And ang dami ko pang alam about you. Sana mas maging close pa tayo. Okay, so much with the drama. So, okay, happy birthday once again, honey. Love you to the moon and back. Stay pretty and nice. God bless.
Honey, happy 18th birthday to you. Wish ko sana maging successful yung life mo. Ma-achieve mo lahat ng goal mo sa buhay. Sana maging patuloy yung napakagandang attitude mo na yan. Alam kong proud sa'yo yung mga magulang mo. At huwag mo nang mag-aasawa. I-enjoy mo lang yung life mo sa pagiging dalaga. Kasi ang mag-aasawa na kapag hihintay naman yan. Sana makagraduate ka at matupad mo ang iyong mga pangarap. Yun lang, once again. Happy 18th birthday to you, honey.
special day mo. Especially na debut mo ngayon. Parang kailan lang, sinututoran lang kita dito. And today, 18 years old ka na. At daming taon na lumipas. So, I wish you all the best. Basta mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Tapusin mo. Finish your goal in your life. I wish you all the best. And again, happy 18th birthday. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, honey. Ngayon, may karapatan ka ng gumagay sa buhay na magulo. Pero, huwag muna. So, pag-aaral muna. At isipin mo muna yung pamilya naghirap sa iyo. So, good luck. Good luck sa iyo. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, honey. Wish ko sa'yo good health, happiness, and success in life. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Good luck sa studies mo. Always be responsible, lalo't ngayon 18 ka na. Sana makapunta ka na sa Paris, and sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Kahit anong problema dumating sa'yo, smile ka lang lagi. Andito lang ako lagi. Sorry kung wala ako sa birthday mo. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Hannah. Stay pretty and glamorous. God bless you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Happy birthday.
Yam, happy 18th birthday. Di ko alam kung paano kasi simulan. Basta nandito lang ako para sa'yo at hindi yun magbabago. Dadating din yung time para sa atin at alam kong hindi ko pa handa para sa last relationship na ibibigay ko. Ginagawa ko itong mga effort na ito para makita mo at makita ng iba kung gaano kaswerte ang nag-iisang prinsesa ng buhay ko. I love you, Honeybee.
Game. Got to believe.
Your heart, show me where to start. Let me play the part of your first love. All the stars are right. Every wish is ours tonight, my love. Baby, those who wait, trusting not to wait, find it out too late where they lost it. Never letting go, they will never know the ways of love. You got to believe in magic. Tell me how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love.
Papakitin yung magic.
I may never know why I need you so. All that you know is this feeling. If you can, we would want to share my love. You got to believe in magic. Tell me how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Sun is on our side, and we always cross our way. I guess we're meant to stay. So take the magic away.
Stay pretty. Thank you. Love you.
Yan. Happy birthday, Ali. Nag-bless you na palagi. Yun lang. Okay na yun.